The Moukey 41 kit is one of those all-in-one beginner packages you see everywhere. The dreadnought body with cutaway option, tuner, gig bag, chords poster, strap, capo, extra strings. Everything a newbie might need. Pricing varies by seller and bundle, but some listings put complete kits in the low to mid triple digits. Bundles can push the price up or down. In terms of raw value, it's a strong seller. The Moukey line targets absolute beginners and people who want a ready-to-go package without buying accessories separately. Customer impressions are split depending on expectations. For brand new players who don't want to fuss, Moukey kits are loved for convenience and immediate playability. Reviews frequently praise how complete the package is for the price. Critiques usually center on action, hardware quality, and long-term durability, which is par for the course in this price tier. Pros: huge accessory value, solid for learning and practice, good entry price. Cons: tone and build won't match mid-range guitars. Tuners' strings may feel cheap and might be the first thing you replace. For a vlog, I do an unboxing, highlight the tuner gig bag quality, and play a few chords. That practical demonstration helps viewers decide whether to commit. And yes, we share buy links in description box.